LASTR is a live multiplayer competitive platform built on Solana where every accepted bid resets the countdown and the last bidder wins the payout. Here, I'm creating a new live paid event directly from my admin dashboard. Event rules like seed price, player capacity, bid tokens, timers, and payout structure can all be configured before publication. The platform also supports optional affiliate or charity participation, where a percentage of the house share can automatically be assigned to another wallet during settlement. Once the event is published, player can join directly through a wallet native flow using Sol. After purchasing a seat, players receive bid token tied to that specific event and enter the live competition. All participation and settlement flows are processed live on Solana. At this stage, the event has reached the required players threshold and is waiting for the scheduled start time. Players can also chat together before the event begins, and maybe troll each other a little bit while waiting. This section has been slightly accelerated for the demo recording. Once the countdown begins, players compete in real time by spending bid tokens to take control of the lead position. Every accepted bid resets the timer, updates the current leader, and increases the pressure on every remaining player. The objective is simple: survive the countdown and become the final accepted bidder before the timer expires. Behind the scenes, gameplay is resolved through deterministic event processing and back-end authoritative state management designed for transparency, synchronization, and verifiable outcomes. When the timer expires, the last accepted bidder becomes the winner and can claim the payout directly through a wallet-authenticated flow. Here, the successful payout transaction is visible directly on Solana Explorer. The event can also be independently verified through its own on-chain anchor and replayable event history. LASTR is already live on Solana with real gameplay, real settlement flows, wallet-authenticated participation, and verifiable on-chain outcomes. And voila!